Honda Fit is a front-drive subcompact hatchback that slots under the compact Civic and serves as the automaker's entry-level vehicle. Small in 6 and big in attitude, the redesigned 2018 Fit is the right mix of modern sport styling and aerodynamic efficiency. The Fit interior was designed to maximize the size and utility of the space. The refreshed 2018 Honda Fit gets slightly tweaked front fascia and a new sport trim that gets a unique body kit, 16-inch alloy wheels with a gloss black finish, bright orange pinstriping, a chrome exhaust tip, and black cloth upholstery with orange contrast stitching. Honda also added a new multimedia system with a volume knob as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. The 2018 Honda Fit is powered by a 1.5-liter i4 with 130 horsepower and 114 pounds-to-foot of torque when equipped with a standard 6-speed manual transmission, or 128 horsepower and 113 pounds-to-foot with the optional CVT. XL models come exclusively with the CVT. EPA fuel economy ratings are 29/36 of a mile per gallon city, highway with the manual, 31/36 of a mile per gallon with the CVT in Sport, X, and XL trims, and 33/40 of a mile per gallon with the CVT in the Bass LX grade. Cargo space with the split folding rear seats in place is 16.6 cubic feet and 52.7 cubic feet with them folded.